Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Lunacal. So Lunacal is a tool that lets you create booking pages. You can also create various events, and once you have these events or the pages ready, people can also book various events or meetings with you. And the best part is, in order to create these pages, you have a lot of customization options. You can also automate the admin work. You can manage the whole booking process directly from Lunacal. For example, you can embed various videos, images, you can add your branding, add your brand colors and all of that stuff on the booking pages to look them amazing. And as you can see, this is an alternative to Calendly, and according to Lunacal, they are claiming that Lunacal is more customizable than Calendly, which has been on the market for a long time. So Lunacal is currently available on Appsumo. As you can see, there are already 6 reviews and all of them are 5-star reviews. So let's have a look at all the plans and features. So here are all the tiers. So there are currently 4 different tiers on Appsumo. So the tier 1 is going to cost $59. Here you can add only 2 users. On the tier 2, the price is going to increase to $149. And you can add 7 different users. That's a lot. And then also the tier 3 is going to cost $279 with 20 users and 30 users. On the tier 4, that is going to cost almost $400. And then you can also see all the limits on each of the tier. So for example, on the tier 1, there are some features missing, such as you cannot add social links or WhatsApp widgets on the tier 1. There are also a couple of team features such as the round robin and collective scheduling. These are also not available on the tier 1, as well as webhooks and custom domain. But on rest of the tiers, you're going to get access to all these features. And then there are also some more features such as adding unlimited calendars, adding unlimited bookings, as well as creating unlimited links, automated email meeting reminders, advanced workflows to engage prospects who cancel or schedule or even complete the meetings. You can also completely remove the Lunacal branding, and that is available on all of the tiers. As you can see, you can add videos, images, testimonials, whatever you want. You can also embed live calendar to any site, charge for meetings via PayPal, which is amazing. And I have also heard that they are going to add Stripe very soon, and you can also add custom booking questions, group bookings. So there are a lot more features, as you can see. So if you want to buy Lunacal on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now, before I show you how this tool is going to work, let me first take a look at the roadmap. So as you can see, here is the roadmap of Lunacal, and on the left side you can see all of the features that are currently in the backlog, and there is also one feature that is next up on the list, so onboarding walkthrough. And then also there are 3 features that are currently in progress, which means they are going to be added very soon. So webhooks, WordPress plugin, and also inspiration section. And also 2 features are already added, so custom subdomain as well as disabling rescheduling and cancelling. So now let me show you how Lunacal is going to work. So as you can see, currently I am on the dashboard of Lunacal, and on the left side you can see all of the main sections. So currently we are in this event type. So here I can create various events so that people can book meetings with me or book events with me. And each event can have its own settings and a unique booking link, which is amazing. As you can see, one meeting or one event is already created. So if I show you the booking page of this, so as you can see, this is the booking page. This is the very basic booking page because I have not added any customizations at all. So you can see the about company, what we do, FAQs. Obviously, all of this content is customizable. You can also see the testimonials and also about me. And here is the booker where you can book the meeting. And creating a new event is super easy. Just click on this. And now, first of all, I have to provide a title. So for example, I'm going to create this event for course consultation. So here's the title, and as you can see, according to your title, a permalink or the URL is going to be created. And then you can also select how long the duration is going to be, how long the meeting is going to be. So for example, I want to make it 20 minutes, and then I'm just going to click on continue. Okay, so it has been created. So as you can see, now we are in the event setup page, and as I have said earlier, there are a lot of customization options on here. So first of all, we have to set up the event with the title. I can also provide a description. And for example, if I want to give invitees the option to choose their own length, which means they are going to propose what the length is going to be of the meeting. So I can also do that. Just click on this. So now I can add the duration options. For example, I want to keep 20 and then 50 and then 75. So this is how I can add the options to the list, and I can also add a default value which is going to show at the start. For example, I want to set it to 50. So it's always going to appear as 50, but people can obviously choose. So this is how I can also let invitees choose the length or the duration. And also I can enable these group bookings, which means if I want multiple people to book the same time slot, I can also do that. It could be ideal for classes, webinars, or any group sessions. So I can also enable this. And also I can select a meeting location. So as you can see, these are the options that are available. So as for integrations, there is Google Meet, Zoom Video, Microsoft Teams, FaceTime, and also some other options. And then I can also choose the availability. So as you can see, all of the availabilities I have, they are going to appear on this list. I can choose from here. I can set the time zone. I can set the specific time of the week as well as the time. And also I can add exception if I want. And then I can set some booking limits such as the event buffer settings, the advance notice, max bookings per event, and advanced booking limit. And also some questions that I could ask to the invitees about the booking. So as you can see, these are some pre-given ones, but if you want to add or edit your own booking question, just click on this. And then now you can add the question, and you can also add the box, like what kind of box or field you want. It could be email, phone, short text, or long text. And you can also make it required or mandatory. And then there are some integrations. As I have said earlier, you can add your HubSpot CRM. As for payment, taking payment from the people that want to book with you, they can also pay using PayPal. And there is also Pipedrive CRM integration. And then you can even set a workflow if you want. Just click on this. Now as you can see, first of all, you have to provide the workflow name, and then you have to select, apply this workflow to selected events. So you have to select that from here. And also when this happens, so you have to select the trigger, and also how long before the event starts, and also send email to attendees. So you can also edit that on here. And if you want, you can even add more steps if you want. And as you can see, one workflow has been already added. So it is a reminder workflow. So it applies to meetings and course consultation. And when this happens, triggers 50 minutes before the event starts. So this basically gives attendees the reminder that the meeting or the course is about to start. And then there is webhooks. So you can create your first webhook from here. So make sure you provide all these details in order to set up the webhook. And then there are also some advanced settings. So you can send the users a custom link after the book. You can also select the time interval between slots, and also disable cancelling, disable rescheduling. And also there is this website embed. So when you want to embed Lunacal on your website, the booking page on your website, so all you have to do is just copy this HTML code and then paste this code on your website in order to add it. And if you want, you can even hide the event details. You can also choose your branding colors from here. So these are basically the settings that you are going to get when you create an event. So as you can see, the course consultation, this particular event is now here. Now I can obviously see the booking page or share it. There are also some settings. I can edit it. I can edit the settings. I can also edit the booking page. So as you can see, here is the booking page editor. Now you can edit literally everything, every section. You can add your logo. You can add a profile picture, add the title, everything on here. You can also drag and drop these sections if you want. You can obviously edit this text. You have text formatting options. You can also edit this what we do FAQ. You can even delete it if you want. And then also you can edit the testimonial section. So if I click on this plus icon, I can even add some more testimonial from here. I can also edit this about me. If I click on plus icon, I can even add another tab on here. And then from on top, so these are the widgets. I can also add more widgets. Just see how many widgets we have. So this is the about widget, which is probably the about me. And then testimonials or review. You can also add gallery in order to showcase various pictures, videos, documents, even description. So these are all the different modules or widgets that you can add. As for social media links, you can also add these links, even your custom mail if you want. And then also you can choose the theme. So professional, bold, playful, noir, whatever you want. You can also change the color from here. And then you can even change the layout to this particular one if you want. So this is how you can super easily add the booking page, edit the booking page. And you can also preview this. And you can also publish this booking page whenever it is ready. So this is how you can basically create the events. You can edit the event. You can even edit the booking page as I have just showed you. And then there are also some other sections on here such as booking. So all of your bookings, the upcoming bookings are going to be here. And then all of the unconfirmed ones are going to appear on this section. The past ones as well as all the cancelled ones. And then you can also manage your teams. You can create a new team from here. Let me show you. So for example, the name is going to be team 1. Just click on continue. So as you can see, the team has been created. So here is our team. Now if I open this, as you can see, I can edit all of these different settings if I want. I can obviously add team members from here, and I can also upload a logo for the team. And the best part is I can have a team booking page if I want. So if I click on this edit team booking page, so here's the team booking page. And just like before how I showed you, you can also edit the team booking page. And then there are a lot of settings that you can change about your teams. And also there are some integrations as I have mentioned earlier. So these are all the integrations: Apple Calendar, FaceTime Calendar, Google Meet, HubSpot CRM. So there are a lot of important integrations that are currently on the platform, and also a lot more are incoming. And then there are also some settings that you can change, such as the general settings, and then also calendar settings. So you can add various calendar apps in order to integrate with them. So these are the options. And then you can also connect various conference apps. You can set your availability, a default one, and then also you can set up your workflows directly on here. So overall, I have to say Lunacal is an excellent tool that lets you create various events or various meetings or various scheduling pages. And the best part is the customization options are amazing. You can literally customize everything from widget to color to theme to branding to logos. Everything that you see on the booking page that are available on the booking page are customizable with Lunacal. And also there are various integrations like PayPal that can super easily help you to get payment when someone books with you. And then also a lot of calendar integrations as well as various integrations with video conferencing platforms such as Google Meet, Zoom, etc. So all in all, Lunacal is an excellent tool, and if you want to buy it from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get these 4 tiers. And on the left side, you can see all of the features that are available with Lunacal.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.